Welcome to GO24 Fitness. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up this piece of awesome equipment, the animal leg press from Watson's Gym Equipment. Some amazing points about this piece of equipment. It can be banded for extra resistance. It can also be separated for single leg press workouts. This piece of equipment is plate loaded, so take your desired weight plate and load them on the machine. Loading the machine on both plate arms on either side of the machine. This equipment has safety stopper, so you can adjust the safety stop to your desired height. The equipment seat backrest is fully adjustable, adjusting underneath for your desired height. Stepping into the machine, putting your feet on the foot plate, taking the weight and releasing the safety handles. Nice controlled pressing movement. When you're finished, safety handles back in place on either side and take the weight off. As I said before, this equipment can be used for single leg workout by removing the guide rod at the top of the machine. Again, stepping into the machine, single leg only, safety arm off. There we have it. Putting the guide rod back in place. Now guys, this piece of equipment can be banded for extra resistance. Using the pins, selecting your resistance band, and setting it up. There we have it guys. The animal leg press from Watson's Gym Equipment, a great piece of equipment for your leg workout. If you do have any further questions about this piece of equipment, please ask the GO24 Fitness staff, and most of all, never skip leg day.